Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 3 times x minus 48 equals 105. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The minus 48 keeps 3 times x from standing alone. Add 48 to both sides to remove it. That gives 3 times x equals 153. 3 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by 3. Quick check. Substitute 51 for x. Both sides equal 105, so the equation balances. So, x equals 51.